Why people say time is money? Well, in life, there are only three currencies: your time, your money, and your knowledge. If you need more than one, you must invest the other two. Here's how it works. Imagine you need more time. You can use your money and your knowledge to buy time, allegedly. If you need more money, use your time and knowledge to get paid. And if you need more knowledge, use your money and your time to educate yourself and learn. But remember, whatever you do, time passes. So use it wisely, because actually you can't truly buy time, but should gather knowledge to learn how to save money or even to make more money. As John Maxwell said, you can't even manage time, because you can't control time. It just flows, no matter you do. What you can really do is to manage your priorities in order to maximize the time you have. How? By doing the things that are the most important to do at that moment. And that's how time is money. For average working people, there are three basic advices. You have to live on less than you make. When buying things you need, you can take your cash and go get a better value. It takes time to just figure out your budget. It takes time just to analyze your spending habits. You can get a better return, and you'll end up with more cash than trying to fight the system or those easy ways of being rich. Control your expenses. Learn as much as you can about basic financials. It's not a shame to look for knowledge and learn. It's a real shame not doing it and keep drowning in payments and not knowing where your money goes. You have to have a plan and you have to be intentional. Saying that you don't have time is giving excuses. If you're living between two jobs, that's okay. Just stop and plan your priorities. You can't manage time, but you have control on what you do to achieve your goals. Every small step counts. And it hasn't got anything to do with the income. It's got to do with you controlling the person in your mirror. Just commit with yourself, with your own goals, with what you truly desire. Do not envy other people's achievements. Every single person has own dreams and goals. Find yours and work for them. To be rich or wealthy is a matter of personal goals, and never other people's achievements. It's a matter of being grateful for what you can achieve with the resources you have, and above all, gaining enough knowledge to increase those resources, without wasting precious time. Michael LeBeouf said, "Waste your money and you're only out of money, but waste your time and you've lost a part of your life." Where do you see yourself in 5 years? What did you do to be where and how you are now? What would you do differently? You can't change what you did yesterday, but today, you can do something to change or improve your tomorrow. Please like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you in the next video.